Good afternoon, this is Howard. As you can see, we have Skippy peanut butter empty jar here. And the thing is, how do we clean it out? We like to have empty containers for various jobs around the house. Well, first you take the old spatula there. You scrape it out the best you can. Get all that good stuff out. All that. Not much there, but you get what you can out. It's kind of oily, so that's the challenge. Is clean it without making too much of a mess. And there we go. I think we pretty well got that out there. And so what we're going to do, see, we didn't have a whole lot. We do pretty good about cleaning that jar up. We take a little bit of sugar soap. You get it at the pound shop or dollar store, and you just put a little bit in there. It's very good for cutting grease and adhesive and stuff like that. It's pretty safe to use. I'm not sure what's in it, but it's called sugar soap. So we put a little bit in and some hot water. Not you need a whole lot. Got to have enough room to shake all that stuff around. You can see right there. So what we'll do, we'll put the lid on. Put it on tight. Shake it all about. And you can see, what you're getting off all that good stuff there. Keep shaking it. Pour it all out. And it's amazing. It just like it takes it all out. It just cuts the oils. And rinse it out good. And you could put the soap in there if you want. But just rinse it out and you're set. That's all there is to it. Pretty amazing stuff. Pretty amazing. Yes, I have a whole collection of these empty containers. Various jobs. So again, the sugar soap. That's what you want. Now here's a bonus. Don't strain any muscles or anything opening those jars. Just a little device. You give a quick pop. You'll hear it pop. And literally, I had two hands to open that, but it really just opens up that easily. It pops the vacuum, and there you go. Stay tuned for more YouTube videos in the future. Take care. Goodbye.